Are people really making $500 a day using AI tools? The answer is yes. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that people are using right now to generate real income online, and how you can get started too. Let's get into it. First up is Pictory AI. Pictory turns simple text into professional videos automatically. People are using it to create YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, and TikToks, then earning money from ads and freelance work. No video editing experience needed. Next is ChatGPT. People are using ChatGPT to write ebooks, blog posts, and product descriptions. You can offer writing services on Fiverr or Upwork, or even create your own digital products, all using ChatGPT as your assistant. Third is Midjourney. This tool creates high-quality AI images. People are selling digital art, posters, and even t-shirt designs online, all created with Midjourney. It's a simple way to turn creativity into income. Number 4 is ElevenLabs itself. With ElevenLabs, you can create realistic voiceovers, audiobooks, and YouTube narrations in minutes. Many people are offering voiceover services online, using ElevenLabs to do the work. And finally, Canva Pro. With Canva's AI-powered design tools, people are creating logos, social media posts, and websites without needing any graphic design experience. You can use Canva to freelance as a designer or create digital products to sell. If you want to see step-by-step tutorials on how to use these tools to start making money, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.